Hey everyone, how's it going? So I need some advice. So this is a Model Y Performance and I have the 21 Uber turbine wheels. It's only 18,000 miles, but the rear tires is pretty much shot. I'm gonna need new tires soon. Maybe another 1,000 or 2 miles. It's hitting the tread line already, almost. Yeah, very close to hitting the tread line. So there's not much, at least from the center here. I mean, summer's coming up, so I'm not too worried, but it's pretty much almost shot out. Surprisingly, it's evenly worn, although I do punch it quite frequently. So it does get high speed on the highway, roughly around 70, 80, 85 miles per hour, usually on average. And in city street, I punch it about 50% of the time from red light, just because it's a performance and it feels fun doing it. But this is the price I pay for. So I look up the price for these. These goes for close to $500. So $480 right now at America's Tire, and they don't even have it in stock. So it has to be special order. So the rears are 275s and the fronts are 255s. And they're all 21s. And these are the front ones. Front one seems to be holding up better, so I would say I have another 5,000 to 7,000 miles on these front ones, but the rear ones I'm gonna have to replace soon, and that's $1,000 worth of tires just for 2 tires. Now, I read on the forums where some people get wider tires, so they get 295s or 285s. 295s on the rear. As you see, Tesla do stretch this out. So these are the Pirellis, the P0s. I saw some Michelin's one for slightly cheaper price, about $20, $40 cheaper. And it does have the 45,000 miles warranty. These Pirellis do not have any warranties on the wear. So it usually go out between 20 25,000 miles at best. So I'm almost getting 20,000 miles from that. And from the front ones, probably will get about 25. I probably don't need these because I don't turn as much. I usually drive on highway mostly. Hardly city street about 20-30% of the time. But I'm just wondering if I should get different type of tires. I saw some deals going on for the Michelins. If you buy 4, but it has to be the same size, you get a couple $100 off. I'm just very surprised these only last about 20,000 miles. So let me know down in the comments if you have a Model Y Performance with the original tires that came with the car, how long they last for you, and what tires that you replace them with. I'm trying to find run flats. I know that run flats is sometimes not as smooth as, and it's also noisier, but it gives you the peace of mind. But I can't find any 21s run flats, at least for the 275 or the 255s in the front. If I can, I don't mind paying that price or a little bit more just for the peace of mind. If you know any, comment down below. Be very helpful. So thanks, and catch you all next time.